If also, I'm gonna speak finally. Speak out rather, because I can speak and unmute. Anyways, yeah. Para sa ating mga 18, nagwo-wonder tayo bakit hindi pa to nasusold out. Well, karamihan ang sinabi ay because of the payments and hindi raw napaprocess, and another thing is the lack of info. So actually naglabas sila, but you know, I'm doing this as a service kasi pag view nyo sa phone, which is karamihan naman sa atin naka-phone, ang liit. So ayan, sinuzoom ko. So ito actually ito yung nasa second na upload na zoom ng yes, SB19 and 1Z I think. But I think this is the more important part eh. 'Di ba? Kasi alam na natin to, alam na natin it's great, whatever, that blah blah blah. But this is important. Why? 'Di ba? Kasi it shows us the stage. This is gonna be the stage, guys. It's gonna be a tall stage. Yan siya oh, tall siya oh. Hindi siya basta flat stage. So ganyan siya. Tesseract, if I remember correctly, that is from, wait lang, Google natin. That is from a Marvel movie. So, baka kasi may iba ditong hindi Marvel fans. I mean, like ako, super casual na ano ako. Tesseract. Wait lang. Tesseract Marvel. Let's type it so you'll see it yourselves. Grabe. What is the Tesseract nga? It's the cube. Yeah. One of the 6 Infinity Stones. Tesseract. Ito ata yung ano, no? Gosh, di ko na maalala kung saan ano to. Kung saan si, Guardians of the Galaxy ata to. Sorry, basta alam ko isa dun sa films. Anyways, let's go back here. So, yan. Actually, dahil gusto ko din to ma-sold out, at may knowledge naman ako. Actually, hindi naman ako binigyan ng, anong tawag doon, embargo or bawal ko sabihin. That, nagkataon kasi ka-theater ko yun. And he confirmed it. Actually, kung alam nyo Into the Woods, way back the closing, August 31, alam ko na siya ang magiging set designer. So, alam naman natin, importante sa isang concert and fashion show ang set. So, ayan, blah, 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 fragmented. But at least alam nyo na itsura, diba? Ayan siya. Diba? So, si David. Si David, search natin, ano ang naging works ni David. Si David, this is the spelling, guys. Oh, shit. No. So, this guy, David of Into the Woods. So, we have Into the Woods set. Ayan. Ayan siya, oh. So, para alam nyo, ano ba ang ano ni David, diba? Ano ba ang kanyang, ano ba tong ads? Ayaw ko may ads. Diba? So, forward natin. Ayaw nating maano. So, ayan siya, oh. Diba? Ganyan ka-awesome ang kanyang set. Gosh, I'm not actually supposed to make this, full-length video, but mukhang sobrang haba na ng video natin. So, ituloy na natin. So, ayan o, makita nyo ganyan ka-detail. So, imagine this person working for the set ng SB19 and kay Francis Liberan. So, search pa natin. Wait, pause ko lang. So, ayan. Search ko yung mga iba. Siyempre, I actually know so I know na-witness ko yung niya, pag-evolve as a designer. So, estudyante pa lang kami. By the way, hindi kami magkaedad, ha? He's like older than me by 5 or so years. So, ayan. Ayan, boom. What? So, imagine niyo, diba, kung may pagkaganyan yung set. So, ang tanong, bakit ko natanong si David? Bakit sure na sure ako siya yung magde-design bukod sa kinonfirm niya? Kasi even before niya i-confirm, inas ko siya. At nagulat siya. Bakit? Dahil siya ang nag-design sa Sterling ni Francis Liberan. And this was the 25th anniversary ni Francis. And this is also pabilog na set. Yung mga ilaw na sa taas. But ang kaibahan dito, diba, sa i-design ni for fast zone, yun ay magiging multi-tiered set. So, imagine niyo, diba? Diba? So, diba? Parang, siguro kung naalala nyo yung bumababa dun sa, simula at wakas, yung, diba, nung kumakanta sila nung, Shooting for the Stars. Right? So, parang, yung inuupuan nila, parang mukhang ganun to. Anyway, so naalala ko. But hindi nag-set siya. So, aside from that, kasi Sterling was like 2023, but actually, si din ang nag-design ng set ng Devotion. And Devotion is like the latest fashion show na solo ni Francis Liberon. And this was like the opening of Inspired Beginnings ng Conrad Manila. Loko, diba? Sorry, hindi ako makahanap ng colored na naka-landscape eh. But makikita nyo naman, diba? Kasi clear naman yung phone ko na super, you know, you have this elegance, yet you have this, you know, mystery, diba? Mystique, you have this parang ethereal na vibe. Yeah, so sobrang excited na ako. Balikan natin uli yung set design. So, na-imagine nyo na ba? And by the way, sinasabi palagi nung iba na nanguhula na Victoria's Secret daw yung magiging peg. Well, Victoria's Secret is all good and stuff. Diba? Fashion and music. But I think they're gonna do something more of Charan! This is the 1001 seasons of Ellie Saab. So it's just recent. It's like 9 months ago. So 9 months ago is like, I don't know, January or late December. But my point is, bakit si Ellie Saab? Bakit ang hula ko mas more of kung magpe-peg man siya? Si Francis, sila SB19. Because si Francis Liberon, some actually, so design kasi may tinatawag na design philosophy. So, yun yung isang naano siya, parang may mga nagsasabi is like the Philippines Ellie Saab or something. And pag chinek nyo yung ni Francis Liberon sa Instagram, he follows Ellie Saab. Yun yung isa sa international designers na pina-follow niya. So, yun yung mga hula. O, diba? Ganyan. May ganyan-ganyan. O, imagine niyo. Mas astig to sa... Sorry nakita ko yung Victoria's Secret Fashion Show. So, yeah, it's like bench with more budget and more music. But this one is different. See? Can you imagine this one? May bumababa sa taas. Feeling ko, yan. Yan, may ganyan-ganyan. So, sana ma-afford. Ang ilaw na ganyan. Diba? Pero Diyos ko, kung ganyan nga talaga, parang sobrang sulit, diba? Sobrang sulit na yung ticket mo, lang. Diba? Pinakamahal nila, 12.5, I think. Yeah. I don't know, because I bought only the Patron because I'm a small person, so gusto ko medyo mas elevated. So, ayan, tama, kaya nga lang to, hindi siya 360. Trust siya, but, yeah, feeling ko ganyan. Ganyan siya. O, ayan, yeah, mas ganyan siya. Diba? Diba? O, nakita nyo naman, diba? Play natin na onte, si Celine Dion, para makita nyo yung actual. O, diba? Feeling ko ganyan May maglalakad na SB19 member. Actually, may nanghula na may maglalakad na SB19 member, then may different parang themes. So parang Liberon collection na different themes per member. Yeah. So excited ako kasi France is like known for his gowns, diba? And recently he's also been designing like really Filipino clothing, like barongs, like yung mga sinusuot sa SONA. Okay, and he's dressed so many artists for Star Magic Ball. Yeah. And yeah, he's primarily a wedding gown designer. It's like his pinaka fashion talaga. So in-imagine ko parang if you think SB19, I think you know, ang maiisip ko parang more of a streetwear and stuff. So, isip ko parang, diba, if SB19 is like going out of the box na first time nilang mag-fashion show, full-on collab and music, or rather concert in one. So, feeling ko si Francis, baka ganun, mag-step out of the box din siya. Baka mag-design siya ng more like casual clothing, not the usual, you know, that not just the clothes you use for special occasions. And medyo parang may foreshadowing for me yung Sinag shirt, because he's selling the shirt version of the barongs the athletes wore for the SEA Games win. Basta yun na yun. Diba? For prestigious international sports competition. So, yeah. So, yun lang. Sold out yun ang Fast Zone. Diba? Kasi, check natin ngayon before we end kung ano na yung latest. Diba? Latest pa, no? Kung ano na yung latest. Kung ano na lang yung natitira. Okay, ayan. Time check for 4:12 a.m. of September 23. So, this is like, ilang days na tayo after general ticket selling? 5 days ba? Kala ba nag-general selling? Hindi ko na matandaan. Tama ba? No, 18, no? So, 5 days. 5 days lang pala lumipas. Parang dami na nangyari sa life ko. So, yan. Minsan nagkaka-mistake na ganyan kasi pagkakaalam ko talaga, wala nang VIP or patrons. So, try natin add tickets. Oh my God. There's a patron. Okay. So, may natirang patron na 108. So, swerte nyo. I guess. Diba? Okay. But, ito pa iba na natira na sections. So, like, ilang sections? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Ang dami. 20 plus. Early 20s. Yan. So, yun lang. Sold out na natin to.